Let's talk about Bosch Tassimo Happy TAS1007GB coffee machine, 1400 watt, 0.7 liter black cream. Intellibrew technology ensures a delicious drink every time. Suitable for all cups, the flexible cup stand is height adjustable and can be removed completely. One-touch operation for quick and easy drinks. Space-saving design to suit any kitchen. Latest version to TAS1057GB and TAS1407GB. I moved to this machine from Dolce Gusto. Tassimo pods are so much nicer, although machine is not as simple. It's hard to judge when to press stop as it carries on pouring for a few seconds, then it steams. But coffee it nice and hot. Very pleased with machine, nice price. Looks good and makes a good drink, although I've only had coffee and had chocolate used about 10 times so far and no problems, easy to use. Not cleaned it yet but looks easy to do as well. For the price would recommend. I bought this one to replace an espresso one I purchased a few months ago. So much better early to use and make a perfect Costa.